It's simple time, and this is Chef Tatong at magluluto naman tayo today. A lot of people love and a lot of people don't love as well. Ano ba ito? Let's get cooking.
Simple, simple. Luto na, ha.
So, ang lulutuin natin yan, naririnig lagi natin sa mga matatanda, angkohol, angkohol, angkohol. Hindi alcohol, but angkohol. Kohol yung lulutuin natin ngayon. Kailangan kasi, di ba, kohol ay snails, no? Ito, tuturo ko sa inyo paano siya linisan, no? So, firstly, yung iba kasi hinuhugasan lang siya, then dinidiretso na siya ng luto. And sometimes it has this funky aroma na parang ayaw ng maraming tao. So, how do you clean it? Makita mo yung end dito ng snail. Ito yung opening niya. Then, meron siya dito, yung dulo niya. No? Yung tip of the shell. Gagawin natin, you break that, no? Use the back of the knife, ha? Sometimes, kumakain tayo, di ba medyo mabuhangin yung loob? Awful tasting part ng ating kuhol, no? So, yan. So, you just remove that, no? Remove that. So, after you cut off the end of the shell, you rinse it not just once, not just twice, but many times until yung water niya almost runs clear. Ito siya, almost siya nagki-clear, ha? And you also can use a brush na pang scrub, no? Sa mga parts na hard to reach areas, no? Sometimes, nalinis siya, pero may konting amoy pa rin siya. So, how do we remove the smell? So, meron akong water here. And what I will do is I will add 1 tablespoon of salt and baking soda, no? So, I have 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Ito siya, pang pantagal to ng amoy. So, I dissolve the salt and the baking soda and I just transfer this rinsed kohol into the next bowl. So, nakikita mo ang daming dumi and I already washed it for 10 times. And let that rest here for a few minutes, siguro mga 5 to 10 minutes more. And I will start sauteing. Start off our sauteing with a little bit of oil. Around 2 tablespoons of oil. Ayan. So I saute my onions. I don't like the taste of toasted garlic in this dish, but I want to highlight more the ginger, no? So I'm using ginger to help remove the funky aroma of the kuhol, of the snail. So just gonna julienne that. So I just saute that. And I have my kangkong stock. So merong kangkong ginagawa ko, sinasama ko yung stock. Some people puro dahon lang, pero nasasayangan kasi ako sa stock. So I use the stalks and I saute it, no? Kasi it takes more time to cook, no? Mas matigas siya. Just cut it into small pieces. I'm just gonna season it a little bit with salt. Konti lang. To bring out the flavor of my aromatics. And sobrang bilis kasi maluto nitong kuhol. I'm going to cook my gata first, no? And add my kuhol last. So I'm gonna add 1.5 cups of gata. Yan. And I'm gonna add my chilies, no? Gusto kong maanghang yung aking ginataang kuhol. So meron akong siling pangsigang, mga 4 na piraso. And I'll just slice it diagonally while we're letting the gata simmer. Everything there. And my gata is cooking. Yan. So, what I want to happen here is I want my gata to reduce a little bit. And again, a tip I can share with you, if you're using canned gata, yung delata na gata, you can add a little bit of extra virgin coconut oil to replicate yung medyo, di ba, yung malangis-langis na mouthfeel, nakikita mo naglalangis-langis yung gano'n. You just add the extra virgin coconut oil to achieve that. And I'm going to strain my kuhol. And my kuhol is ready and my gata is getting ready. And I just let my kuhol drip and add it to my gata. Look. I will also add my kangkong leaves as well. Chop more sili. Alam mo, pag nagluluto ka kasi ng gata, because of the fat in the gata, you can add more chilies without making it very spicy, no? Tsaka mitigates the spiciness. Yan. So, let's cook that. And paluto na yung ating kuhol. I'm just going to add coconut cream, no? Yung unang piga. Yan. Just to make it creamier. And you will notice, di ba, yung ating kuhol, hindi siya gray masyado yung gata niya. No? Usually, yung iba, pag nagluluto sila, medyo grayish na yung kwan. Kasi hindi nga nahugasan ng maayos yung kuhol. And we season it with a little bit of patis to taste. So, if you want it salty, damihan mo, di ba? Gusto mo matabang, kontian mo. Ganun lang kasimple. Papalaputin lang natin yung gata. Another way also to bring out the flavor of the gata is just to add a little bit of sugar, probably around half a teaspoon of sugar. Just a little bit of sugar para mas lalabas yung lasa ng gata. I tell you, it's going to be yummier and tastier. And our gata and our kuhol are cooked, so we're ready to eat. Yan. Yung sauce na natira, pinalapot ko siya, pinasimmer ko pa siya ng ilang minutes hanggang maging rich and thick siya. Yan. And I just pour it over my kuhol. So here it is, our ating simple version ng ating ginataang kuhol. Remember, the tricky part is in the cleaning, but after that, sobrang nang dali, kaya niyong gawin to sa bahay, especially for kuhol lovers out there. Tandaan nyo, kahit sino kaya magluto, basta simple! Did you enjoy this video? Please follow and subscribe to our official pages. And of course, tag a friend as well.